Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solution for Drupal, and as we know that is the best OAuth and OpenID solution available in the market, so we are going to configure Wild Apricot with Drupal OAuth Login. You can download the module from the link below. You will find the download link in the description as well. You can check installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Go to Admin Dashboard of your Drupal site and click on the Extend. Search the miniOrange OAuth OAuth Login here. Enable the checkbox and click on Install button. Now go to the Configuration tab and select miniOrange OAuth OAuth Login Configuration. Under the Configuration tab, search for Wild Apricot in the search box, and select Wild Apricot from the list below. In Step 1, copy the redirect URL, and click on the Step 2 button. Let's configure the Wild Apricot as OAuth provider. Log in with your Wild Apricot credentials. Navigate to the settings, and click on the Authorized application. Go to the Authorize application. By default, keep the server application option selected, and click on the Continue button. Enter the application name, and under the authorization page settings, enable the checkbox. Paste the redirect URL which you have copied in Step 1, and click on the Save button. Now, click on the application which you have created. Then click on the Generate Client Secret button. Copy the client ID. In Step 2, paste the copied client ID into Drupal's client ID text field. Copy the client secret. Paste the copied client secret into Drupal's client secret text field. And then click on the Step 3 button. Copy the Wild Apricot account URL. Replace the copied account URL in the Authorize endpoint. Go to the dashboard, and click on the account. Copy the account ID. Replace the copied account ID in User Info endpoint, and click on the All Done button. In summary, you will be able to review the configuration which you have done so far. Once verified, to check the connection between Drupal and Wild Apricot, you can click on the Test Configuration button. Select the email attribute from the drop-down, and click on the Done button. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your Drupal site. Click on the link to initiate the SSO from Drupal. Log in with your credentials. Congratulations! The user has successfully logged in using SSO. miniOrange provides the best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.